Hello. So, if you have found yourself in possession of this scale here, this is a CAS CL7200. It's touchscreen label printing scale, very sophisticated piece of machine offered by CAS. In fact, this is their most complicated label printing scale they have to date as of 2021. If you bought this scale from Clover.com, you don't have to worry about anything that I'm saying because the support and training is included at your purchase. However, if you bought this scale elsewhere, say on Amazon, or you bought a business and this is the scale they have and you have no idea how to use it, you don't know, this service is for you because we will get into, we'll sort of do a deep dive into how to set up the plus, how to configure the labels, how to do the ingredients, how to set up the departments and the screens. This is probably one of the most hardest tasks that I think personally. How to configure labels, and whatever other questions that are specific to your business that you might have, we will address on this training session. And this is the service that you're looking at. I hope that helps. Thank you.